Can I control who sees my Facebook profile and who I suggest as friends?
Hello, savvy social media users. Today, we'll dive into a topic that is crucial for everyone using Facebook: privacy settings. Specifically, we're going to answer this important question: can I control who sees my Facebook profile and who I suggest as friends? The short answer is yes, you absolutely can, and we'll walk through how you can do this step by step.
Can I control who sees my Facebook profile?
Yes, you can control who sees your Facebook profile and its contents. By adjusting your privacy settings, you can restrict what others see, whether they're your friends, acquaintances, or even complete strangers. Let's break down how to achieve this. 1. Update your privacy settings. Access your privacy settings by clicking on the downward arrow in the top right corner of your Facebook page, then select Settings and Privacy, and then Privacy Settings. 2. Set your default privacy. Here, you'll find Your Activity section. Under Who can see your future posts, select the audience you're comfortable with, such as Friends, Public, or Only Me. 3. Control who can see your past posts. You can limit the audience for posts you've shared with friends of friends or public using the Limit Past Posts setting. 4. Review posts you're tagged in. Using the Timeline and Tagging settings, you can review and approve or reject posts you're tagged in before they appear on your timeline. Remember, while these steps limit who can view your posts, some information like your name, profile picture, and cover photo will still be visible to everyone.
Can I control who I suggest as friends?
Facebook automatically suggests friends to you based on your mutual friends, work and education information, networks you're part of, contacts you've imported, and many other factors. Unfortunately, as of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, there is no way to manually control who Facebook suggests as friends to you. However, you can remove unwanted suggested friends or hide this section. 1. Removing unwanted suggestions. If you don't want to see a certain suggested friend, hover over their card on the People You May Know section, click the 3 dots, and then click Remove. 2. Controlling what others see. While you can't explicitly control who you suggest as friends, adjusting your privacy settings can indirectly impact who Facebook suggests as friends to you or to other people. For instance, if you set your friends list to Only Me, it becomes harder for Facebook to suggest mutual friends. Privacy is paramount in our digital world, and knowing how to control your Facebook privacy settings can help you have a safer and more comfortable online experience. Remember, these settings are there for you to use, so take full advantage of them. Here's hoping this video has been helpful. Keep checking your privacy settings regularly, and keep your online world secure.